In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create Google search ad campaigns in Hubspot. Whether you're new to digital marketing or looking to streamline your ad management, Hubspot offers a seamless integration for creating and managing your Google search ads. So, let's dive right in and walk through the process step by step. First, you need to navigate to the Hubspot website. Head over to your preferred web browser and enter the Hubspot homepage URL. Once you're on the homepage, you'll want to look for the Login button, which is typically located at the upper right corner of the page. Click on that to proceed. If you already have an account, simply enter your credentials and log in. If not, you might want to create an account first, which is straightforward and intuitive. After logging in, you'll be redirected to your Hubspot homepage. From there, turn your attention to the main navigation menu at the top. You're going to click on Marketing, which will open a drop-down menu with several options. Here you'll find Ads. Go ahead and click on Ads to access the advertising tools HubSpot provides. Once you're in the Ads section, you should see an option that says Get Started with Ads. Clicking on this option will initiate the setup process for your ad campaigns. This is where HubSpot really starts to shine, as it guides you through a user-friendly onboarding process. You'll appreciate the simplicity and clarity of the instructions provided, which help in setting up your ads efficiently without a lot of hassle. Now, once you've initiated the ad setup, you'll be presented with various advertising platforms that HubSpot supports. You'll want to focus on the Google Ads option, so go ahead and select it. By doing this, HubSpot will ensure that the ads you create are specifically tailored for Google search, leveraging its robust platform to maximize the reach and impact of your campaigns. At this stage, you have now successfully accessed the integration with Google Ads within HubSpot. You're now ready to proceed with creating your first campaign. Although the setup process is pretty much complete, remember, creating effective ad campaigns is an ongoing process that might require continual monitoring and adjustment to get the best results. It's important to keep track of your campaign's performance, tweaking things like keywords and ad copies based on analytical insights that HubSpot provides. By staying informed and adaptive, you can optimize your ad campaigns for the best performance. And there you have it. With these steps, you're now ready to create and manage Google search ad campaigns within HubSpot. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more insightful tutorials to enhance your marketing strategies.